Hey gearheads and adventure seekers, buckle up. Today, we're taking a closer look at the highly anticipated 2025 Toyota 4Runner. This legendary SUV is known for conquering any terrain, and the 2025 model promises to be even better. So, get ready to crush trails, explore the unbeaten path, and discover why the 4Runner remains an off-road icon. Power under the hood. The 2025 4Runner is rumored to pack a serious punch. A powerful V6 engine is a strong possibility, delivering the muscle you need to navigate challenging climbs. Imagine effortlessly powering up steep inclines with the grunt of a proven Toyota V6. But that's not all. Toyota might be throwing a hybrid option into the mix, offering impressive fuel efficiency without compromising on power. Think about tackling trails with the legendary Toyota reliability, but with the added benefit of better gas mileage. Perfect for those long off-road adventures. Plus, features like multi-terrain select and crawl control will transform you into a terrain-taming master. Multi-terrain select lets you choose between different modes like sand, mud, and rock, adjusting the engine and traction control for optimal grip on any surface. Crawl control takes things a step further, automatically managing your throttle and brakes at a preset speed so you can focus on steering over tricky obstacles. Rugged looks, modern appeal. The 4Runner's signature boxy design isn't going anywhere in 2025. This SUV screams toughness and capability, and the updates are expected to enhance that look. Imagine sleek LED headlights and taillights piercing through the darkness, illuminating your path whether you're conquering a mountain trail at night or navigating a dense forest. A potentially redesigned grille and bumper could add a touch of modern aggression, making the 4Runner look even more ready to take on anything you throw at it. Comfort on every adventure. Inside the 2025 4Runner, expect a spacious and comfortable cabin that can seat up to 7 passengers. Whether you're on a weekend getaway with friends or a long-distance expedition with the family, the interior is designed for maximum comfort. High-quality materials like soft-touch plastics and leather upholstery will create a luxurious feel, while improved ergonomics will ensure everyone has plenty of legroom and headroom for extended journeys. The upgraded infotainment system with a potentially larger touchscreen keeps everyone entertained. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto allow seamless integration of your smartphone, while advanced navigation will ensure you stay connected and on track, no matter where the adventure takes you. Safety first, always. The 2025 4Runner prioritizes your safety with the latest Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 suite. Features like adaptive cruise control will automatically adjust your speed to maintain a safe distance from the car in front, reducing driver fatigue on long journeys. Lane departure alert will warn you if you unintentionally stray from your lane, while automatic emergency braking can even bring the car to a complete stop to avoid a collision. But that's not all. Expect enhanced connectivity options with multiple USB ports and potentially wireless charging, keeping you connected and powered up for safety features and entertainment. Plus, advanced driver assistance systems like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert will provide an extra layer of safety, whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling a narrow, rocky trail. Built to conquer anything. For the ultimate off-road experience, keep an eye out for the TRD Pro trim. This beast will likely come equipped with specialized off-road gear, including an enhanced suspension system for superior handling on uneven terrain. Imagine tackling rocky trails with confidence thanks to the TRD Pro suspension that soaks up bumps and keeps your tires in contact with the ground for maximum control. Skid plates will protect the undercarriage of your 4Runner from rocks and debris, while all-terrain tires with aggressive treads will provide exceptional grip on loose surfaces like mud, sand, and gravel. Additionally, potentially increased ground clearance will give you more clearance over obstacles, allowing you to take on even steeper inclines and uneven terrain. Your adventure, your way. The 2025 4Runner caters to every adventurer's needs with a variety of trim levels and packages to choose from. Whether you're a casual off-roader who enjoys weekend camping trips or a hardcore explorer who tackles challenging trails, there's a perfect 4Runner configuration for you. Options might include SR5, TRD Sport, Limited, and the ultimate TRD Pro. And for those who crave even more adventure, a range of optional accessories like roof racks and tow hooks will help you personalize your 4Runner and conquer any challenge that comes your way. Imagine mounting a roof tent on your roof rack to turn your 4Runner into a mobile campsite, or using the tow hooks to pull out a friend who got stuck in the mud. The possibilities are endless. So, that's it for our look at the incredible 2025 Toyota 4Runner. This legendary SUV promises to be even more capable, comfortable, and safe than ever before. Whether you're a seasoned off-roader or just starting your adventure, the 4Runner is ready to take you wherever the trail leads. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below telling us what kind of adventure you'd take this off-road beast on. Do you dream of scaling mountains, exploring remote beaches, or just having a comfortable and reliable vehicle for your weekend getaways? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who love to explore the unbeaten path. After all, the best adventures are shared. That's it for today. Happy adventuring!